This is my very own super duper nail salon. I designed it with my mom's help. It allows you to create any nail design you imagine. Just put any friend from the dream house into this chair to start creating. Me, Ken, Renee, any of us. Try it. I can't wait to see what you create. Ooh, a vibrating massage chair? I love these! You can even soak your feet in warm water to unwind. Not that I need any help relaxing. I'm usually cool as a cucumber, just a very chill person. Well, maybe just this once wouldn't hurt. A standing desk, the perfect place to work from. You can greet guests, take appointments, write up a few emails, or try to beat your high score in your favorite video game. Ooh, not that I would ever suggest that you do that. This genius invention instantly prints out face masks of every color. Good for any and all skin types. Grab one and poof, another one magically appears. Now nothing can stop you and me from relaxing together. Unlimited good times forever. This interactive screen displays all of your amazing nail designs. Tap the screen to cycle through all of your beautiful creations. OMG, so many pretty colors. Can't change outfits when you're too busy having fun. Have them take a break to swap their style. Fashion, the ultimate expression. seamless and innovative? How do you do it all?